Hey guys, it's LazeBro, and I'm back for another video. I'm going to be showcasing something I just got. The Nintendo Switch. I finally got it. This has been out for quite some time, and I've been waiting for it, so finally decided to get it. Let's see what else. Here's the game I got for it. Oh. Zelda Breath of the Wild. So I'm going to play that as soon as I get this here, but I want to do like an unboxing thing here to show off things, so let's try to get my camera down here, see down so I can see things here. Okay, so here we go. Is this gonna work? I guess a little bit. Well, that's as good as it's gonna get, so okay, let's get this thing unboxed here. So there it is. Wow, got the two red and blue controller things. So okay, let's do this here. Oops. There's that. There's the screen, I guess. I'll hook that up to the controller thingies here. Here's the little controller things. They connect to it. Here's some of the cords. I guess this is like the controller pad, classic pad thing. So you put them on here like this. So that's pretty cool. I guess this is the AC adapter thing. Just like the... I don't know what this is. Oh well. There's like an instruction manual here. This is the thing here that you put the screen in there. Switch. Put that in there like that, and I guess it's like sets it up to play on the television. I guess it's also like a charger thing too. So yeah, I guess. Oop, there just went one of my speakers. My bad. Oh well. Guess I'll fix that later. But anyway, yeah. So there's the switch and everything. So stuff going here. Sorry about this. This isn't a camcorder, this is a webcam, and there's really no place to set it up. Oh well. Just put it up here. Alright, can't even see my face now. There we go. So, let's see, let's just put this on here, I guess. Does it go like... Oh yeah, it goes like this. Or, oh, it's like this. There we go. Like that. Alright, there we go. There's that. There it is, the Switch. It's so freaking cool. I love it. I can't wait to try this thing out. This is going to be so cool. I still think it's a little bit pricey though for $300 though. I know there's going to be like, you know, special editions with comes with games and stuff, and they're really more expensive. So I paid for this. I'm just gonna buy the game separately. So yeah, there we go. That's the Nintendo Switch. I'm sorry if this video was a little bit, you know, rocky and stuff, shaking the camera and stuff, but it is what it is. You know, I'm still getting used to this whole webcam thing. But anyway, I just wanted to showcase this, and I'm really happy that I got it, and I can't wait to try it out. So, I guess I'm going to go ahead and play it and try it out. So, again, that's it for now. I'll catch you guys later.